Do you want to be able to fix ChatGPT access denied? Well, then you have come to the right video, because I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this. But make sure that you watch this until the very end, so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So actually, I got this message today when I was trying to use ChatGPT, and I was very surprised because it's the first time that I actually get this error where it says access denied. Well, what I tried to do, I went into ChatGPT on my mobile, and then actually I just closed ChatGPT, and then I went into my settings app actually, and I went into Wi-Fi, and then I turned my Wi-Fi off. So when I turned my Wi-Fi off, I was using ChatGPT with my mobile data basically, and after that it actually worked. So I just restarted ChatGPT with only my mobile data, and for some reason it just worked. Well, I hope that if you try this, it will work for you as well. And actually, if this still does not solve this issue for you, well, what you can do is to, if you have a VPN, for example, then you can try to use VPN and just change locations in there and see if that will work for you, because I've seen that sometimes that can also solve this issue. So basically, as of right now, I know these two ways that can actually solve this issue for you. So let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also, please leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you an awesome day.